अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे कोर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ अ प्रिपेयर्डनेस प्लान। कोर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ अ emergency preparedness plan. So if we talk about core components of an emergency preparedness plan, this emergency preparedness plan is basically a robust plan which is documented and regularly updated. So it is a documented and regularly updated plan based on the drills and feedback. And this emergency preparedness plan, it has four main components. So the first component is the risk assessment. रिस्क असेसमेंट। तो अगर हम रिस्क असेसमेंट की बात करें, इट्स ऑल अबाउट आइडेंटिफाइंग द लाइकली थ्रेट्स, like the natural threats, man-made threats, health-related threats. So identifying the likely threats and evaluating the potential impact of those threats. So that is the risk assessment. Risk assessment में हम basically करते क्या है कि हम likely threats को identify करते हैं कि what can be the possible natural disasters, man-made disasters and health-related disasters which we can see in a region over a period of time. And then we will also evaluate the potential impact of those disasters. So that is the risk assessment. So risk assessment is one of the core component of an emergency preparedness plan. Now the second very important core component of an emergency preparedness plan, it is the communication systems. So we establish reliable methods to inform occupants of danger. सो कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम का मतलब है वी एस्टैब्लिश रिलायबल मेथड्स टू कम्युनिकेट डेंजर टू द ऑक्यूपेंट्स। कहीं अगर सुनामी आने वाली है, कहीं बाढ़ आने वाला है, कहीं बहुत तूफान आने वाला है, तो हम पहले से ही उनको आगाह कर देते हैं कि भाई, so that is the communication system establishing reliable methods to communicate occupants of the danger. And these communication systems may involve alarms, PA systems, mobile alerts. So that is the second core component of emergency preparedness plan, communication systems. तो पहले हम रिस्क एसेस करते हैं, फिर हम कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम्स को सेटअप करते हैं। Now the third very important core component of emergency preparedness plan is the defined roles. So in defined roles, we assign specific duties to the staff. We assign specific duties to the staff, such as fire wardens, incident controllers, and we ensure that they are trained and ensure cross training. Defined role. So in emergency preparedness plan, we define the role wherein we assign specific duties to the staff members, like हम fire wardens, incident controllers, ऐसे हम specific roles specify करते हैं, and also we ensure कि they are trained so that अगर कोई disaster होता है तो they can handle it efficiently. And the fourth very important core component of an emergency preparedness plan is the evacuation procedures. कल को अगर कहीं दुर्घटना घटती है तो हम इवैक्यूएट कैसे करेंगे, सो दैट इज द इवैक्यूएशन प्रोसीजर्स। सो मैपिंग क्लियर वेल लिट egress routes to designated assembly points where head counts can be taken. So that is the evacuation procedures. कल को अगर कहीं दुर्घटना घटती है तो we should be able to map clear well lit egress routes, designated assembly points to conduct head counts. So we have evacuation procedures in place. तो हमने देखा कोर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ इमरजेंसी प्रिपेयर्डनेस प्लान। अगर हम इमरजेंसी प्रिपेयर्डनेस प्लान की बात करें तो ये एक डॉक्यूमेंटेड एंड रेगुलरली अपडेटेड प्लान है बेस्ड ऑन द ड्रिल्स एंड द फीडबैक। एंड इस इमरजेंसी प्रिपेयर्डनेस प्लान के चार मेन कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं। पहला कंपोनेंट है रिस्क असेसमेंट, वेर इन वी आइडेंटिफाई द लाइकली थ्रेट्स, man-made threats, natural threats, health-related threats in a region over a period of time, हम उसको आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं एंड वी ऑल्सो इवेल्युएट द पोटेंशियल इम्पैक्ट ऑफ दैट थ्रेट। सो दैट इज द रिस्क असेसमेंट। एंड द सेकेंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कोर कंपोनेंट ऑफ emergency preparedness plan is the communication system, wherein we establish reliable methods to communicate danger to the occupants, and those reliable methods include alarms, mobile alerts, PA systems. Now the third very important core component of emergency preparedness plan is the defined roles, जहाँ पे कि हम specific duties assign करते हैं to the staff. like fire wardens, incident controllers, and we also ensure cross training. And the fourth very important component of emergency preparedness plan is the evacuation process, wherein we map clear, well lit routes कि कैसे हम इवैक्यूएट करेंगे, कल कल को अगर दुर्घटना घटती भी है तो what is the evacuation process we should consider. So these are the core components of an emergency preparedness plan.